Let's look at how each component of the Resource Manager work together. The Resource Manager communicates with the clients through an interface called the client service. A client can submit or terminate an application and gain information about the scheduling queue or cluster statistics through the client service. Administrative requests are served by a separate interface called the admin service, through which operators can get updated information about the cluster operation. In parallel, the Resource Tracker service receives node heartbeats from the node manager to track new or decommissioned nodes. The NM Liveliness Monitor and the Nodes List Manager keep an updated status of which nodes are healthy so that the scheduler and the Resource Tracker service can allocate work appropriately. The Application Master Service manages the application masters on all nodes, keeping the scheduler informed. The AM Liveliness Monitor keeps a list of application masters and their last heartbeat times to let the Resource Manager know what applications are healthy on the cluster. Any application master that does not send a heartbeat within a certain interval is marked as dead and rescheduled to run on a new container. Let's look at the Resource Manager in high availability mode. Before Hadoop 2.4, the Resource Manager was the single point of failure in a Yarn cluster. The high availability, or HA feature, adds redundancy in the form of an active standby Resource Manager pair to remove this single point of failure. Resource Manager HA is realized through the active standby architecture. At any point in time, one of the RMs is active, and one or more RMs are in standby mode, waiting to take over should anything happen to the active RM. The trigger to transition to active comes from either the admin through the command line interface or through the integrated failover controller.